Hello friends, today we learn 3D zoom effect using CapCut application. See the result after apply 3D zoom effect. You can try it with your pictures as well. It is one of the most popular Instagram trending effects. If you want to enhance your Instagram followers, watch this videos till the end. This effect really enhance your Instagram followers. Download CapCut application from description link. Open application, click on New Project, import your favorite pictures, just like me. Click on Add button, see the interface. Now select the first picture in timeline. Then click on Style option. At the end, you see 3D ZoomPro effect option. Click on this button and wait for 100%. See the magic that created by CapCut application. Similar kind of steps apply on multiple effects. Play video and see the gorgeous 3D look. I hope you like this amazing effect. Now's the time to set the perfect width and height of the clip. Adjust the individual clips, just like me. Now's the time to give transition. Click on white box, middle in the two clips. Go to camera section. Select on pull out effect. It gives amazing transition you never think. Follow similar steps on multiple clips. Play the final result. We hope you really love it. Hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. We share this kind of amazing tutorial with you. Click on Export button on the top corner. Share with your friends.